Hi, boys and girls. For this activity, we are going to be identifying the different animal coverings. There are 4 items that you're going to need, or materials that you're going to need for this activity. You need a clipboard, a pencil, your iPad, and this recording sheet. If you do not have all of those items with you now, pause the video and go and gather them. All right, welcome back, boys and girls. Now that you have all the materials, I want you to put the recording sheet on the clipboard and write your name up at the top. You're doing a good job. If you need more time, pause the video. All right, boys and girls, you're ready to go now. We are going to go on an adventure. It's kind of like we're going to searching for different animals. So you're going to go out in the middle of your pod, and you're going to go and look for the different animals that we might find all over the United States. We want to start with number 1. Once you find number 1, let's look at what type of animal it is. Did you say iguana? You're correct. It's an iguana. Now down here we have 3 choices of animal coverings. Does it have fur, feathers, or scales? If you wrote down, right up here at number 1, if you wrote down scales, you wrote the same thing as me. Now after you write it down on your paper, on your recording sheet, you're going to get your iPad, and do you see this QR code up here? You're going to scan that scan that QR to check your answer. So get your iPad and scan that QR code. Did you notice that it said scales on there? We had it correct. Great job. Now we need to go find number 2. Go hunting for that animal. I found it. Boys and girls, it's an owl. Does an owl have fur, feathers, or scales? I think, let me write my answer right up here on number 2. Feathers. I think an owl has feathers. So now that I've written the word feathers down in number 2, I'm going to get my iPad and I'm going to scan the QR code. Did you notice that it says feathers? We're doing great. Boys and girls, I want you to go ahead and set your timer for 10 minutes on your iPad as you go around hunting for the rest of the animals. Look for the little number to help you figure out if you're in the right location. Remember, for each animal you want to identify on your answer sheet, your recording sheet, whether that animal has fur, feathers, and scales. Do as many as you can in that 10 minutes. And then take a picture on Seesaw to show your teacher. Have fun learning about animal coverings.